crypto can seem impossibly complex at first. Trust me, I've been there, like staring at a math textbook in a foreign language. But here's the thing. Crypto isn't rocket science. It's just digital money secured by cryptography. That's all. Let's start with the basics. Bitcoin. It's basically the gateway cryptocurrency. Think of it like an email. It solved a fundamental problem, sending money digitally, and turned it into something normal. No institution, just peer-to-peer transactions on its blockchain. So, what's a blockchain? Picture a digital ledger, like an Excel sheet, but it can't be edited or tampered with. Each transaction is verified and added to blocks, which form a chain. That gives you transparency and trust. Altcoins are next. These are alternatives to Bitcoin. Ethereum introduced smart contracts, allowing programmable agreements without middlemen. Then there are newcomers like Solana and Cardano, which promise speedier, cheaper transactions. It's all about innovation and what problem they solve. One common pain point? The jargon. Blockchain, mining, wallets, these terms are confusing. Think of wallets as your key to access crypto. A public key is like your bank account number. A private key is your PIN. Lose the key and your funds, gone. There are two wallet types, hot and cold. Hot wallets are online and convenient for trading, but they're riskier. Cold wallets are offline, think USB sticks, better for long-term storage. Always use two-factor authentication for security. Pro tip, start small. Invest only what you can afford to lose. Crypto can drop 30% in a single day. It's not for the faint of heart. If this feels too stressful, consider stablecoins like USDT or USDC. They're pegged to the dollar. Pain point number 2, scams. Scammers are everywhere in crypto. Never trust anyone who promises guaranteed returns. Nobody can accurately predict the market. Plus, avoid clicking random links or sharing your seed phrase. That's crypto suicide. How do you actually buy crypto? Platforms like Binance or Coinbase are user-friendly. Create an account, complete KYC verification by uploading documents, and you're set. Connect your debit card, buy Bitcoin, and voila! But remember, fees add up. Now trading. Why does everyone talk about it? Because it's exciting and risky. Beginners should stick to dollar cost averaging. That means buying small amounts regularly, even when prices go up or down. It's slow, yes, but steady wins the race. If you want impact, focus on the ecosystem. Ethereum is powered by applications like DeFi, decentralized finance, and NFTs, non-fungible tokens, which are reshaping industries. Understanding use cases beats day trading hype every time. Finally, learn. Crypto is constantly evolving. Read white papers, join forums like Reddit, or even follow crypto YouTubers. Time is your friend. Patience and knowledge set you apart from those looking for a quick buck. Trust me, it pays off.